Welcome to MBBS Council. Maharashtra State Counselling Authority (CETCL) released a schedule for online Mop-Up counselling. We provide personalized counselling guidance for parents and students who are looking MBBS MD MS admission, especially in Maharashtra State. Before moving into this video, I request you to subscribe our channel to get the current counselling updates. Maharashtra State UG Round 3 online registration starts at 1st December and the last date for online application registration is 4th December. Online registration application window will be closed on 4th December as per the server time of 5:30 p.m. Note: no offline application form will be accepted for further round of centralized admission process. To know more about Maharashtra State Counselling, check out the ebook now. Link is given in the description below. Candidates can make the payment of registration fees and uploading of all required documents as color scanned PDF at 1st December. Also, last date to make the payment of registration fees and uploading of all required documents as color scanned PDF is 4th December. Registered candidate list and combined provisional state merit list for Mop-Up counselling will be released on 5th December. Also, Maharashtra State UG Mop-Up round seat matrix will be released on the same day. Online choice filling starts on 5th December and the last date is 8th December up to 5 p.m. for submitting the preference form. Declaration of Centralized Admission Process Round 3 selection list will be released after completing of All India Quota Mop-Up round. Physical joining date will be declared after that. MBBS Council App provides All India Quota, State Quota, Management Quota, Open Quota, NRI Quota, cutoff for more than 20 plus states and college details that include important factors to choose the best medical college such as number of MBBS seats, PG course, tuition fees, hostel fees and other charges, etc. Download the app now. Link is given in the description below. To clarify all your counseling related doubts and to get more information about the personalized counseling, click the WhatsApp floating button in the MBBS Council app. Your assigned counselor waits for you on the other side. If you like this video, subscribe our channel to get the current counseling updates and give a thumbs up. We'll meet in another video. See you then.